Hi, everybody. Just want to say hi to you. Yeah, little kitty. Okay, today we're going to work on multiplying decimals. It's a pretty simple idea. Basically, you just multiply like normal and worry about the decimal till the end, and then I'll show you what to do with it. So on your activity sheet, this is number 3, and I'm going to be doing it with you. So I'm going to start with a 3, and remember, you're just ignoring the decimal, pretending it's not there. So starting off with 3 times 4, it's just like normal. 3 times 4 is 12, 1 on top, 2 on bottom. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 1 more is 19, 1 on top, 9 on bottom. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 1 more is 22. Now I'm done with this 3 because I used my diagonal pattern. I did all the ones on top. I did all the multiplications. I'm going to cross off that 3. I'm done with it. I'm going to get rid of all the little tallies on top. And now I'm jumping to the 2. But in order for me to jump to that 2, I have to add that placeholder 0, magic 0. And now I'm going to multiply across using 2. So 2 times 4 is 8. 6 times 2 is 12. 1 on top, 2 on bottom. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 more is 15. And now I'm still just like normal. I'm just ignoring that decimal. I'm going to add. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 8 is 17. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. And then just drop down that 1. Okay, so now we're done with our normal multiplication. We cannot forget about this decimal. And for me, the easiest way to remember how to do this is to pretend that the decimal is like a little tiny puppy. So make him a puppy. And the puppy ran away. And he ran away 1 spot because he has to run to the end of the numbers. So he ran away 1 spot. So when his owner calls him back, he's going to run back 1 spot. So then my answer would be 1,757.2. All right, let's try another one. This one I wrote a little bit differently, just like on your activity sheet. I believe this is number 10. Because I wanted to show you how to write it so it's easier to solve. So this is 9.3 times 65. So you're just going to write this like a normal multiplication problem. There's no need to move anything or line up any decimals. You only use the lineup method for addition and subtraction. Okay, so this one, I've written the problem. My first step, ignore the decimal. We don't need it right now. And just multiply like normal. So 5 times 3 is 15, 1 on top, 5 on bottom. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 1 more is 46. I'm done with this 5, so I'm going to cross it off, get rid of all my little squiggles on the top so I don't get confused. And then I'm going to put my magic 0 as a placeholder on the bottom. 6 times 3 is 18, 1 on top, 8 on bottom. 6 times 9 is 54, plus 1 more is 55, sorry. And now I'm just going to add. Just like normal. 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5 plus 4 plus 1, so 5 plus 5 is 10. And then 5 plus 1 is 6. So I've got 6,045, but we have to remember the decimal. So remember, pretend the decimal's doggy. And it has to run away to the end of the number. So it ran away. It ran away 1 spot. So now when its owner calls it back, it has to run back in 1 spot. So now my final answer is 604.5. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys. See you next week.